Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a BMW 328i grille. First, gather your essential tools, including a trim removal tool and a T20 torque screwdriver. Make sure your car is safely parked on a level surface and the engine is completely off. Then, open the hood to gain access to the top clips. This careful preparation ensures a smooth and efficient replacement process. Now, let's move on to removing the old grille. Start by carefully locating the top clips on each kidney grille. Use your trim removal tool to gently release these clips without causing damage. Next, push the lower tabs inward to free the bottom of the grille from its housing. With all clips and tabs released, you can now pull the old grille straight out from the bumper. Installing your new grille is straightforward and satisfying. First, carefully align the new kidney grille with the openings in your bumper, ensuring a perfect fit. Gently push the bottom tabs into their corresponding slots until you hear them click securely into place. Then, firmly press the top clips until they are fully seated and secure. Double-check that the new grille is flush and stable. To finish up, perform a quick but important final check. Gently push on the new grilles to ensure they are securely fastened and don't wobble at all. Close your hood and take a moment to admire the refreshed front end of your BMW 328i. If needed, wipe away any fingerprints or smudges for a pristine finish. You've successfully upgraded your car's look.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.